In this tutorial, we'll show you how to view insights from lists. Insights is a great way to better understand how each recipe in your meal plan is contributing to your grocery list. It is also a great way to identify ingredients that are often used within your list, giving you the tools to make your meal plans affordable and customized to your clients' needs. To view list insights, select Lists. Here you will see your items listed out in the same category they can be found in the grocery store. To view the insights on any item, click the item in question from within your grocery list. For example, let's say I wanted to understand where 4 cups of Swiss chard comes from on this plan. I can click on Swiss chard and see the recipes that use this ingredient and how much it's calling for. To view the recipe or edit in the planner, click on the recipe title. This will bring you to the planner. Here you can see an overview of the recipe's nutrition breakdown and the days of the week it appears, as well as how many servings. From here, you can choose to make any changes needed. For example, if your client doesn't like Swiss chard, you can remove the recipe and add another recipe in place of it. To remove a recipe, you can uncheck the days that are selected. This will allow you to remove multiple days at one time. And then you can click Save to confirm the deletion of the recipe. You can also click the icon with the 3 dots and select Remove from Plan. Click Remove from Plan to confirm the deletion of your meal. Be sure to complete this for each recipe on the plan. The nutrition information will be updated in real time to reflect the removal of the recipe. Be sure to update your rules to reflect any ingredients that you need to remove. For example, we're going to exclude Swiss chard so we don't find another recipe with Swiss chard. Then, you're ready to add a new recipe if needed. You can add a new recipe by clicking into the empty space and looking for any keyword. If you need more robust filters, head to the Recipes tab and apply all applicable filters. Then you can add recipes to your planner from this tab. List Insights allows you to keep your client's meal plan affordable by seeing what ingredients have been added to a few main meals, and then continuing to meal plan based on those items. For example, in this meal plan, I still need to add some snacks. To keep the ingredients list low, I can first head to the planner and see what ingredients are already a part of my client's meal plan and their shopping list. I can see my client is already shopping for cucumber. So I can head over to the Recipes tab and filter for snack recipes that contain no more than 3 ingredients and contain cucumber. From there, I can add any of these recipes to my client's empty snack slots. You can add any recipe by clicking on the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Add to Plan. Select the meal time and adjust the number of servings as needed. You can also add any recipe from inside of the recipe card. Click on the photo and adjust the servings if needed. Select Add and choose the meal and the days of the week you'd like to apply it to. Now you have rounded out your client's meal plan without significantly increasing the items on their grocery list. Remember, you can always check the list to see where they appear. And that's how easy it is to use List Insights.